Have you ever wondered what you are made of? It's not just skin and bones. Everything about you is made of tiny things called cells. Cells are like little factories that make up every living thing, from plants to animals to you and me. They are so small, you need a microscope to see them. But don't let their size fool you. These microscopic units are bursting with activity, working together to keep us alive and thriving. Think of a bustling city. Cells are like that. They have different parts that work together, just like buildings in a city. Some parts protect the cell, while others create energy or carry important information. It's a non-stop marvel of microscopic proportions. Understanding cells helps us understand how life itself works. It helps us learn how we grow, how we get energy, and even how we fight off sickness. So let's put on our imaginary lab coats and dive into the amazing world of the cell. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of science. Just like a house needs walls, some cells have a special barrier called the cell wall. Plant cells have these tough outer layers. The cell wall is strong and sturdy. It gives the plant cell its shape and protects it from damage. Imagine it like a medieval fortress, shielding the delicate machinery inside from harm. The cell wall is made mostly of a special material called cellulose. Cellulose is like the bricks in a wall, providing strength and support. This sturdy barrier allows plants to stand tall and withstand the elements. Without cell walls, trees wouldn't reach for the sky and flowers wouldn't bloom. Inside the cell, there's a lot of bustling activity. One of the busiest molecules is RNA, or ribonucleic acid. Think of RNA as the cell's messenger and builder. It comes in different forms, each with a special job. One type is messenger RNA, or mRNA. mRNA carries genetic information from the DNA, which we'll talk about in a bit, to the ribosomes, the protein factories of the cell. It's like a recipe card delivering instructions for building proteins. Another important type is transfer RNA, or tRNA. tRNA acts like a delivery truck, bringing the right building blocks called amino acids to the ribosomes to build the proteins. Together, mRNA and tRNA ensure that the cell builds the right proteins at the right time. At the heart of every cell lies the control center, DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and it's like the instruction manual for building an entire organism. It's packed with genetic information which determines your traits, like eye color and hair color. Imagine a long, twisted ladder. That's what DNA looks like. The rungs of this ladder are made of special chemicals called bases, and their order spells out the genetic code. This code is like a language that tells the cell how to build and maintain you. DNA is incredibly important because it's passed down from parents to offspring. It's why you might have your mum's smile or your dad's curly hair. This molecule is the key to understanding heredity and the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Section 5, mitochondria, the powerhouses. Cells need energy to do all their amazing work. That's where mitochondria come in. These bean-shaped organelles are the powerhouses of the cell, producing the energy it needs to function. Think of mitochondria like tiny energy bars inside the cell. They break down food molecules and convert them into a form of energy called ATP, which fuels all cellular activities. From powering muscle contractions to keeping your heart beating, mitochondria are essential for life. Without them, cells wouldn't have the energy to do anything at all. Section 6. Teamwork makes the dream work. As you can see, a cell is a bustling metropolis of activity. Each part has a specific job to do, and they all work together in perfect harmony to keep the cell and ultimately the entire organism alive and thriving. The cell wall provides protection, RNA carries genetic messages, DNA stores the blueprint of life, and mitochondria produce energy. It's an incredible example of teamwork at the microscopic level. Imagine a symphony orchestra. Each instrument plays its own part, creating a beautiful melody together. That's what it's like inside a cell, with each component working in sync to create the symphony of life. Section 7. Beyond the basic blueprint, specialized cells. Now, not all cells are created equal. Just like you have different parts in your body that do different things, cells can specialize too. Some cells become muscle cells, helping you move. Others become nerve cells, transmitting signals throughout your body. For example, red blood cells are shaped like tiny discs, and they carry oxygen throughout your body. Nerve cells are long and thin, with branches that allow them to send electrical signals. The amazing diversity of cell types allows for the incredible complexity we see in living organisms. No matter how different they may look or act, all cells share the same basic building blocks. They all have DNA, RNA, ribosomes, and other essential components. It's like having a team of experts, each with their own unique skills, working together to achieve a common goal life. Section 8. Cells gone wrong. When things go awry. Sometimes things can go wrong inside cells, just like a machine can break down. When cells make mistakes in copying DNA or when they're damaged, it can lead to diseases like cancer. Cancer is a disease where cells grow uncontrollably, forming harmful tumors. Viruses, like the flu virus, are another example of things that can disrupt normal cell function. Viruses invade cells and hijack their machinery to make more viruses, which can make you sick. Understanding how cells work, both in health and disease, is crucial for developing new treatments for various illnesses. Scientists are working hard to unlock the secrets of the cell to find cures for diseases and improve human health. Section 9. The future of celebration. The world of cells is full of wonder and mystery. The more we learn about these microscopic factories of life, the more we realize how much more there is to discover. New tools and technologies are allowing scientists to explore cells in unprecedented detail, revealing their secrets like never before. In the future, we might be able to engineer cells to fight diseases, repair damaged tissues, and even grow new organs. The possibilities are as vast and exciting as the cells themselves. So keep your sense of curiosity alive and never stop exploring the amazing world of science.